Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can convert your text into handwritings. There are many times when you're given too many assignments, practicals, and you have less time to complete them. In that case, you can use this method to save your time and complete your work. This is a GitHub repo, and we are going to use it to convert our text into handwritings. Open this website and scroll down to this form here. This is where all the customizations can be done. Left click on this page and erase all the content from it. Either copy and paste your text here or either type it. Choose the desired handwriting font of your choice. Like I'm going to use the default font. Even upload your handwriting font. You can create your handwriting by using Califer. You can go to this website known as Califer and you can sign in and follow the steps to create the fonts which are listed over here. Create a template, print it out and fill out, and you can use scanner, digital camera, smartphone, and you can simply follow these steps and create your own font. After that, you can choose your font size, your ink color, page size, effects, and resolution. By resolution here, it means the quality of the image that it's going to generate. The higher resolution means higher file size, and the lower resolution means lower file size. Let the paper margin, that this paper margin be on and paper lines be on. You can also use spacing options for vertical positioning of the letters and spacing between your words and spacing between your letters. You can also use your paper image as a background. Just for the sake of showing you how it looks, I'm going to use a random image for it. And that's how it looks when you use an image for the background of the image. If you want to draw a diagram or something, you can use this draw tool over here and simply add by image here. And then you just have to click generate image button. If you're using multiple pages, you can arrange them from move left and move right button. See, if I want this page, the middle one, to be the first one, I can click here, move left, and it will be the first one. Then simply click on the download image button if you want to download as JPEG, and download all images as a PDF if you want to download as a PDF file. You can use two more tools. For the Android users, you can use Handwriter, convert to handwritten text. You can find the link in the description of this app and you can use it. It is very simple to use. Another tool, the third one, which I'm going to provide you, is also Handwriter. You can just download the Windows installer or the Mac installer, whichever system you are using. Download it, install it, and then use it. It is simple and easy, but it is not so effective as the first method. So guys, have fun deceiving your teachers. If you want to know how to make extra money by simply doing nothing, watch this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, press the like button. And if you love it, press the subscribe button to learn more about new and unique methods, apps, and various things upcoming on this channel.